Hi, Nick.
Hi.
What are we doing?
Reading response.
Reading response.
And the first day of school.
Ah, yes, Curious George and the first day of school. Should we show the cover so they know? Woohoo! It was a funny one. Alrighty, and what number reading response are we going to do?
3.
3, and what is it?
Part of U.S.'s book.
Part of the book that you found interesting. What did you find really interesting about this book?
Puns.
Puns. There were some puns. And you discovered you love puns. Like, during math time, the children what?
Count George's head.
Yeah, they said during math time, the children could count on George. And we talked about how a pun is a statement that can mean two things at the same time.
Yes.
So what did that mean? What was one thing that the authors meant when they said during math time the children could count on George?
First count his fingers.
So they were literally counting on his body, using his fingers to count.
Yes.
What's the second thing that they meant by the children could count on George?
Being smart cookie.
Well, no, it wasn't just being a smart cookie. What does it mean when somebody says, "Oh, I can count on you"?
Being smart cookie.
Well, no, it's not about being smart. What if I say, "Nick, whenever I lose something, I can always count on you to know where it is"?
Figure it out.
It means that you help someone. If you can count on someone, it means you know they will help you. Right? And was George helping the children?
Yes.
And also they were literally counting his fingers.
Yes.
That's a hoot.
And near the end, the janitor and the professor went to George.
During the end, the janitor and the principal did what, honey?
Went to George's castle with Mr. Apple.
They raced there? Why did they race there?
Because mop.
What about the mop?
Because George was carrying the mop.
Was he carrying the mop? Or was he rolling around on it? He did. He rolled it down there. Is anybody supposed to be rolling around on the mop bucket?
No.
No.
But his fellow.
His fellow? Who's his fellow?
And with the other hand and the first piece.
Yeah, what does that guy tend to do in these stories?
Goodbye.
Yeah, he leaves George places. And then he's all shocked when George does something mischievous. Like, how does he not see this coming, book after book, huh?
Like what was yesterday.
I'm trying to remember. Oh, with the donuts, right? Surprise, surprise, George gets all these donuts. All right. Hey, listen, I got one more question for you about puns.
About yesterday.
No, about today's book. Today's book. Can you remember one more pun from the book that you thought was funny?
The playground.
The playground?
Yes.
Oh, what did George do on the playground?
False. The second one. Like vitamins.
Oh, you want to do the second one instead? Not about the playground? You want to talk about the snacks?
Oh, this is.
Is that it?
Yeah.
The authors said
They are on the same page.
they are on the same page. The authors said at snack time, George made sure everyone had a well-balanced snack.
No, I don't get it.
Okay, well, what were the children doing with their lunch boxes?
Rather than on the head.
So one thing they meant was they're literally balancing their snacks on their head. That's crazy. What's the other thing that people mean when they say you're having a well-balanced meal?
Vitamins.
It means you've got lots of different things with lots of different vitamins in it.
Now the playground.
Now the playground, you want to do the third one? This is a long reading response. I hope your teachers are enjoying this very much, Nick. The other one was on the playground. George made sure that everyone had what?
Had balls.
Had a ball. And there are two things that people can mean when they say have a ball. What's one thing that the authors meant?
Like, have a ball.
Like, what do you mean, have a ball? What did George do?
Like, George tossed it.
He tossed a ball to each child. That's right. That's one thing they meant. But what's another thing that they meant? What else can you mean when you say, have a ball? What does that mean? Okay.
Enjoy time.
Enjoy, have some enjoy time? Is that what you said? Have fun. Yeah, you're right. Do the children look like they were having fun?
Yes.
Yes. All right, you know what? I think we're going to wrap this up because this has got to be the record. A 6-minute reading response. Goodness. All right. Well, I hope your teachers enjoyed this very long reading response. Why don't you say bye-bye, Nick?
Bye.
Bye.